Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I am going to be prepping for my TPT sale on February, I think it's 6th and 7th. So I just got this email recently that you can join the sale. They're going to have a site-wide sale, and I want to make sure my shop is ready for that sale. So let's get into it. So I basically have a TPT sale checklist that I am going to go through. So I know that I'm going to need a sales banner, which is what they will send out closer to the time. I think it's February 2nd is when you can start marketing. I definitely want to go through and put my featured products for February at the top so that they're more enticing. I need to check my featured product thumbnails to make sure everything is up to date, and then I want to schedule a note to followers announcing a sale. So the first thing we definitely need to do is that we need to go to our TPT homepage, and if you see at the top it says hello teacher author, our February sale is coming up on February 6th and 7th. Ready your store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to click join the sale. So I'm set for 20% off, and then I'm going to click automatically add the 20% discount during the TPT wide sale. So everything is set to 20% off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over at my store, and then once you click on it, you can see what your store looks like to others. So as you can see, I have literally neglected my shop. I still have my sale up from November 27th to the 28th. I need to change out my resources, and then I need to do an update on a few thumbnails. So I'm going to link a couple videos in the description below that will help you prep for the sale, and how to make your thumbnails and how to write a note to followers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch some of these out. So if you are wanting to change your featured products, all you need to do is go over to your product listings. You will want to scroll down to featured, and then through here you can click quick edit, and then you will unclick feature product and then update it. And then quick edit, I will unfeature this and I will update it. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Martin Luther King Jr. Google slide, and I'm going to click edit, because what I did do is I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to get rid of the main cover, and I created a new thumbnail for that just says self-taught, no prep on it, so it's more uniform. And then I'm going to make sure my categories are good, and I will click submit. And this actually might take a few minutes. There we go. To update for changing your featured items. So as you can see, it is consistent with what I have visually for my shop. And then I want to go over to my custom categories. I want to look at Black History Month. You want to go and undo product status, and I'm going to quick edit, and I will feature this product once again. So here is the original thumbnail. Okay. So here is a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, it just draws your attention that this is self-taught. You just, press and play. So that is one thing that I am trying to do, is like when I do sales or I do these monthly updates, I'm updating the thumbnails to make a more consistent brand. So what I do want to do is I want to edit full listing details, and I want to once again go down, delete my main cover, drag and drop my new one up, upload, and then submit. So here's what my shop looks like so far. As you can see, I need to change a few thumbnails and update them, and then once the banners become available, you should get an email with a link to the banner. Come back and I will change that. And all you need to do in order to change your banner is go over to my account, and then you will go over to store profile, and then you will scroll down to edit, and then you will scroll down below your personal quote and you will put in your thumbnail. So you'll click choose file, and then you'll upload your sale banner there. And that is all you have to really do in order to get ready for a sale. I'm going to write a note to followers. If you want to see a video on how to write a note to followers, I will link it in the description below. Make sure you go look at the description, and I will try to put a link to the banners when I get that email in the list below. So maybe that can help you. But hopefully your sale goes great. I'm hoping mine goes well. And we will just have to see in our February income report what the results of the sale is going to be.